Recently, our parent company, Element Solutions Incorporated, acquired the H.K. Wentworth business as a complement to our portfolio of specialty chemicals. As an organization, we are excited to welcome the Electrolube team to our family. We look forward to working side by side and delivering an even wider range of solutions to our customer base. Today, I'm happy to introduce the Electrolube product line and to specifically showcase where these products assist in enhanced automotive reliability. Increased reliability has been a main focus for the ESI Automotive team, as so many of our customers put this at the forefront of their designs. You will see through this web tutorial how Electrolube complements our strategy to deliver more robust automotive systems. As consumers, we have high expectations for vehicle designs and the overall travel experience. Electronic systems are the largest growth segment in automotive. This is a result of more advanced safety and an electric powertrain. Car makers are innovating in areas they never expected. The systems are enabled through electronics, but we must consider the harsh conditions in which they need to succeed. It is the Electrolube series of products that support so much of enhanced reliability in automotive with a specific focus on harsh environments. Electrolube has a wide range of offerings for many end-use markets. Color coding is used for product line recognition, which you can follow throughout this presentation. Today, we will focus on 3 areas that serve the automotive industry. And rather than speak solely about advanced safety, I will address a wider range of automotive applications that connect specifically to electronics and serve multiple system types throughout the vehicle. Electrolube's capabilities extend far beyond the levels of standard solutions. Our technical experts create customized solutions and support you from design through implementation and beyond. We place relentless attention on quality, unlimited access to technical expertise, in-house manufacturing, and strategic partnership. To showcase these collaborative partnerships, I will take you through a few case study examples which illustrate reliability and design improvements that our materials enable for our customers. Conformal coatings are a very strong line of defense against environmental corrosion of the printed circuit board and circuit board assembly. Our offerings are available in a wide range of materials, including our latest developments in 2K. The 2K coatings are VOC-free, high-performance 2-part conformal coatings, which deliver an improvement over the conventional conformal coatings, especially in harsh environments. A major power system steering provider required faster throughput for their latest generation designs. The initial dip process was not delivering the desired coverage. An inline, selective coating machine was their ideal. We developed a spray-grade acrylic protective layer coating that provided greater coverage with shorter process time. Our technical service team supported the Tier 1's design team in the UK and later implementation in Mexico. There are projects and designs that require a much greater level of protection over conformal coating. This is where our customers rely on encapsulation resins. They protect and insulate the electronic, providing a true barrier to the most extreme conditions, even including immersion. The chemistries used are polyurethanes, epoxies, and silicones. Tire pressure monitoring is growing in importance in the automotive space, especially as we transition to more sustainable driving. Tire pressure will alter the fuel and distance efficiency of a vehicle. Vibration experienced from the road and vehicle function causes a great amount of stress on the electronics. In this case study, our team worked with the Tier 1 to identify adequate test parameters before developing an appropriate material. Again, our technical team supported the full implementation in production. This extremely low viscosity resin can be used to fill quickly in production. The density of our resin is also low. This enables a lighter tire pressure sensor, delivering a weight reduction to the end user. Our resins also allow RF signal to transmit through them instead of blocking transmission like their heavily filled resin counterparts. Of course, this is very important for radio frequency designs and all of advanced safety. Although it has always been a concern for automotive designs, thermal management is now a constant discussion. We know automotive electronics had heat concerns due to environment, but now they also experience increased temperatures due to the function of the electronic. Removing heat is immensely important for extending characteristic system life. Electric power steering systems replaced traditional hydraulic ones to achieve fuel and cost savings. As the driver, many of us prefer the reduced vibration offered by power steering, though some may not. But that vibration is still occurring. Now the electronic system is taking the brunt of that vibration instead of your hands. Electric power also enables a vehicle to make corrections for the driver, such as lane keep assist. And with these enhancements, there's more processing required, and again, that translates to more heat. The customer came to us with an extended project proposal. The work was to develop a material that could withstand their thermal, vibration, and gap filling needs. Through collaborative testing, we were able to deliver a cost-effective product that met all performance needs at 150 degrees Celsius. As technology continues to advance, systems will be required to have greater reliability defined through thermal and mechanical stress resistance. The Electrolube product line has a wide range of solutions proven to enhance robustness and extend product life in electronic systems. Ultimately, understanding how these materials perform within your design will determine the expected characteristic life. Did you know these materials are already being used in automotive applications? The materials support EV batteries and the connections, radar sensors, various LED lighting, tire pressure sensors, and electric power steering and the sensors associated to those systems. To make advances in your technology, you will need advanced materials that match your expectations. Electrolube has over 80 years of experience developing solutions for electronics in all market segments. Our entire organization specializes in advanced material development. As a leading materials supplier, we take pride in having a complete understanding of the automotive market's expectations and working collaboratively within the automotive supply chain to achieve necessary materials that deliver a required result, focusing on enhanced reliability. We look forward to these continuous collaborations. We are excited to incorporate Electrolube into our McDermott Alpha Electronics Solutions division. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon.